Hey, this is Dave and Rich again at housebarons.com, and today we're going to show you how to thread a ratchet strap. Basically, we have two kinds of ratchet straps here. One's a smart ratchet, and one's just your common. And I'll show you how they work. First, the common ratchet strap, you have two spring mechanisms. Hey, Avi, good to see you. Two spring mechanisms that you have to press. Would you stop looking at me? Okay, you have two spring mechanisms that you press to open it up if you want to release the strap. Now on the smart ratchet, you have only this one that you press, and then this barrel will spin freely. So this is a whole lot easier to use just by pressing one side than having to put your fingers in here and press both sides. Okay, this product is called SmartStraps, and we're fond of this one as opposed to this one. This one, you know, the 2-finger control versus 1 finger, this is a lot easier to use. You can get these on Amazon. We're an Amazon affiliate, and if you use our affiliate link in the description below, Amazon will send us a small commission for sending you guys to Amazon. It doesn't cost you an extra penny, but it helps support our channel, and we really appreciate it. So anyway, we're going to show you how to thread, whether it's a common ratchet strap or one of these with just one side release. They all load the same way, and basically what you want to do is load from, if this is the folded side, you want to load from here, your beginning piece of your strap. And so the barrel in the center of this has a split in it right there, and that's what we're loading the strap through. So we take the strap, just the beginning part of it, and usually we'll just go in an inch or two just so it comes out like that. And then now you just start ratcheting it, and it'll ratchet itself around itself, and it's that simple. Once it ratchets all the way around the barrel and it's ratcheting on itself, it won't slip out, and it's as simple as that. And then when you want to release it on this one, if there's tension on there and you want to release it, you just pull this. There, the whole thing came right out just with 1-finger control. We really like these smart ratchets just because they're somewhat improved on the original design, where this one you have 2 fingers and this one you have 1 finger. But again, it's super simple. Just feed the strap through the barrel, and once it's through, you can start ratcheting it on itself, and it just tightens itself like that. And there you go. Now once you're ratcheting this and you take up that space, as this turns, this will get closer and closer and closer to that side. At that point, you don't want to do it any further. You'll end up binding the ratchet strap. Pretty simple device. Once you know how to thread it, they're awesome to use. We use them for wrapping up lumber from the store or every project you can possibly imagine. If you got something out of this video, give us a like. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.